Here's a random video here with all the fans I cannot show on all the speeds. I cannot sadly get the ones in the yoga room because there's going to be a yoga class going on, so. But I could get the dance room good enough, so. Here, the Hunter Passport 3s. They're both of them back here. I think this one could have been making the squeaking noise. But here's a fan back here I could do. I'll do this one. Oh, chain's not set properly, so I'm not, the chain's not set properly. It needs to be set to high. This is where it's properly set. It needs to be properly set to. So I'm gonna be shut first. Oh. Ah. It must be a 2 amp wall control. So I'm going to start with high, medium, then low. I'm going to leave it on medium. So they left the old Hunter control and put a Lutron knob. This one is wobbling. Wobble baby, wobble baby. And this one right there, I already showed these two. This is one of my dream hotels. Oh no, this one's badly warped. There's a Farmington in there. I think they need to replace this one. This one they could probably keep. This one's not going in bad shape. These two Passport 3s have been replaced with these and there's these Gulf Coasts. And our Hunters over the counter. I'm gonna get a brief video over the counter because it's not there. There's Gulf Coast in there running on medium. And that's, Hunter Paramount XP. Thanks for watching.